So what's going on, boys and girls? This is VQ Origin with you guys again, and I'm here to bring you another quick little video of a new addition to the car. So here we go. This is carbon fiber mirror caps, and I just threw them on. I threw these little visors on a couple days ago. I found those online. I thought they looked interesting. They are carbon fiber pattern, but they're not real carbon fiber. They're plastic, and they tuck just under the mirror, and that's what they look like at an angle. And they don't cover or mess with the view, so I think they're a pretty cool addition to the car. I like the way they look. I like the way the profile that it gives the car, and yeah. But the point of the video is these mirror caps, side view mirror caps, and they look nice. They're smooth all the way around. No chips, no cracks, no blemishes that I can see. They look pretty tight. That's all I can say. Got my kids playing outside. So, anyways, fitment is tight. Fitment is nice. It does line up all the way around. As you guys can see, there may be a little gap here, but you're not looking at it from this end, you're looking at it from that end, and besides, at a distance you can't even tell. But yeah, going around, looking at the fitment is spot on. Now the other side, I did kind of mess up the other side a little bit. I'm gonna step back a little bit, let y'all see that. You guys see what it looks like on the car. Take a little quick. Oh yeah, looking nice. I didn't showcase this in any videos yet, but we got the side splitters that go along with the street arrow diffuser and side spots. Yep, I threw these on a couple weeks ago too as well. These JDM reflective letters. They were hard to put on. The glue did kind of mess up a little bit down there, you can see. But instead of putting them on the tire, I decided to put them on the rim. You know, something different. You do your own way, your own style. But at the end of the day, I think it looks fresh on the rims. So, show the back side real quick. Let y'all see it where the light hits it. It kind of reflects right there. Yeah, so I did that on both sides. So I'm gonna go around and show you guys what the other side looks like. So that's the other side. Okay, turn back a little bit. Alright. Since my car is black, you know, and it's just a fair bit lighter than the black on my car, the carbon fiber. So as y'all can see when I get close up right here, you guys can see that I didn't line it up 100%, but I mean, this is not easy to put on. Like, you got to get it right the first time. And I suggest before you put the tape on, or put the tape on but before, oh, my nails did some mechanic work yesterday. Before you put the tape on or take off the strips, the protective strips off the tape, put it on, fit it, take it off, put it on, fit it. Get a good feel of how you're gonna lay it on here, because once you put it on, I promise you're not gonna get it off. And I bought Gorilla tape, Gorilla double-sided tape to put these on. So once it was on, man, I mean, it's not gonna come off, and you'll either crack it, break it, or something. So you better, you know, like I said, you know, take it, put it on, take it off, put it on again. Make sure you get the fitment right, how you're gonna place it, and then set it. Because once you set it, you're done. You know, I try to set it on lightly, but when this Gorilla glue is on there, man, it's not coming off. I'm not gonna tug on it before I end up breaking it. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Y'all get a clear view of that. I purchased these off eBay, and I think I paid $75 for them, maybe. I'll post the link down below. Anybody's interested. I'm not looking to make anything off of this. You know, it's not, you know, sponsored, anything like that. I mean, I bought this out of pocket. I think they look good. The quality is good. I received the item fairly fast, although despite paying buying them through eBay. So I think they're well worth it for the money. And yeah, carbon fiber mirror caps, y'all. Later.